Hair extension care and maintenance. The ultimate guide for high-quality hair. There is nothing quite like the feeling of walking out of a salon with a fresh set of extensions. The volume is luxurious, the length is transformative, and your confidence is at an all-time high. However, ensuring that salon fresh look lasts requires more than just a good stylist. It requires a dedicated commitment to hair extension care and maintenance. In this comprehensive guide, we will break down the essential steps of hair extension care, the best hair extension care products to use, and how starting with high-quality hair extensions makes maintenance significantly easier. https rawhairluxury.com/hair-extension-care-and-maintenance-guide/ #hair extension care and maintenance #hair extension #hair extension care #hair extension care products #high quality hair extensions #raw hair luxury